Hi, my name is Dovlet. I am a professional AC technician, and today I want to show you how to get rid of the mold that is inside your air conditioner. It is very important to get rid of the mold because the mold can be very harmful to your health. Now let's see how we do it. So we are talking about a split wall-mounted unit, and as you can see inside the unit there is a lot of black dots. Those dots are mold actually, and breathing mold can be very harmful for your health. To get rid of the mold we need to do several things. First of all, we need to remove the plastic that covers the air conditioner unit. To do that, we need to unscrew some bolts that hold the plastic in its place. Now we need to unplug any plugs that we see. Please remember where those plugs came from. The next step is to remove this plastic that controls the air direction. Now, after we remove the plastic that covers the air conditioner, we need to unscrew some bolts that hold the coil in its place. Now we will have to remove the water bath. This is the place that accumulates the water that comes out of the coil. This bath must be moved aside. Now let's unscrew some bolts that hold the coil in its place. Inside you see the fan. We will have to remove it also in order to clean it thoroughly. Now we need to lift the coil a little bit in order to remove the fan out of the unit. Well, this is the fan. It blows the air inside the room, and as you can see, this fan is full of dust and needs to be cleaned. Now we need to spray the cleaning material on the surface inside the coil and in the areas where the mold exists. This spray is actually a foam that gets inside the coil and removes all the dust from inside out. After we spray the foam, we need to wait for about 15 minutes and then wash the surface with clean water. The next step is to take a kitchen paper and to manually remove all the remaining mold dots out of the unit. Clean everything that you think that needs to be cleaned. What you see right now is a fan motor. On this metal stick you will need to put the fan itself after the fan was cleaned. After the fan is put on its place, don't forget to screw back the bolt that holds the fan in its place. Please notice that the fan has a rubber ring on its left side. Do not forget to put it back on its place. Now return the coil to its place. Now the water bath needs to be fixed back in its place. Screw back the bolts that hold the coil in its place. Now it's time to check the fan. Move it with your finger. If it moves fluently, then it's okay. If the fan is stuck, you need to remove once again all the bolts and the coil. Remove the fan and see what stucks the fan. Solve the problem and assemble it all back. Now let's assemble the plastic that covers the AC unit. Screw back the bolts and don't forget to plug all the wires back. Put the filters back in their place. Put the wind direction plastic in its place and you're done. Well, this is how we did it. We removed all the dust and the mold outside of the coil in the air conditioner. I hope you understood. If not, you can ask me anything in the talkbacks and I will gladly answer. Goodbye.